Gusto mo yun?
Yeah.
It's my class.
Oh, I like me. Kasi difficult.
Sa una siya mahirap, pero masasanay din naman.
Talaga. Anong mahirap na part? Saan ka nahirapan?
Wala naman sa nahihirapan ko eh.
Hindi ba mahirap mag-memorize ng lines?
Hindi naman siya mahirap. Madali na siya ma-memorize. Like, focus lang.
Yeah.
Yan talaga yung sinasabi ng direct na focus lang.
Paano kayo natuto umarte? Nanonood ba kayo ng TV? Or...
Ako ko sa YouTube ako eh.
Ikaw, Earl?
Me, I just focus on correct. She said, okay, let's focus on Crystal. She said, okay.
So si Direk helped you?
Yes. Because I
YouTube also.
because I want to
Direct,
just
because direct helps me to be concentrated.
Did you enjoy?
I really enjoy super.
Ito ba yung first time yung mag-acting or may experience na din kayo?
This is the most exciting moment.
But then, is the movie your first time to act? How did you get the role? Did you audition? How did you meet Direk? How did you get the role?
I am so shocked.
They just told you that you got the role.
I am not expecting unexpected. Hindi ka nga sabihin na.
Yeah, because I miss Sabiya. Because Mama say I love you.
So,
Did you feel nervous when you were doing the movie?
No.
You were just excited the whole time.
Yeah.
Technically, yes.
And you have known each other already before the movie? Or no? You have known already each other? Your friends before?
Yeah,
you were friends before.
Even before you started the movie?
Just friends.
Just friends for now.
Actually, I'm best friend forever.
Oh,
Best friends forever.
Oh.
Oh, that's cute.
Because Kirk is so cute.
Earl, how would you describe Crystal?
Me?
Yes.
Just because Jessica is, I want to be able to be just so maybe.
Describe.
Yes, she's crying.
Describe?
Yeah. How about you? How would you describe him?
I can't seem to see him because I'm crying.
No, not saying, but I am. Ang describe ko kayo is about napaka-friendly na.
Oh, friendly.
Yeah, because he's crying because me please wake up.
Hindi naman kayo nag-aaway during the shoot?
Ano lang, support ang isa't isa.
Anong nararamdaman niyo na makikita na kayo sa mga sinehan, lalabas na kayo sa TV, or anong nararamdaman niyo?
Actually,
I'm speechless eh.
because
Speechless but still excited.
Ano yung pinakagusto niyong part sa pagiging artista? Mini-makeupan ba?
Yeah.
Gusto mo yun?
yeah.
It's my class.
Oh, I like makeup. Yung pag-iyak, kailangan niyo bang umiyak dun sa content? Hindi ba mahirap?
Yes.
Hindi mahirap pero madali na sa
Really hard.
Anong iniisip mo nung umiiyak?
Because I want to have and say. I want to make my best friend.
What will make you cry?
Because it's other and happy.
What makes you
Happy and funny
cry?
and
Ikaw, what made you cry?
Pag naiisip ko yung mga tao sa kung sino yung naiisip ko mga mahal sa buhay. I just like my father.
May paborito ba kayong artista?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sino?
Pagod kay nanay, siyempre. Ang favorite ko talaga, si Dede Jensen.
Sino?
Ang baby ko talaga si Tita Lorna talaga.
Lorna to.
Ay, it's my,
Si nanay siya ba?
Janet.
Bukod po sa kanya.
Nanay Sylvia.
Bukod, hindi.
Bukod
ano
sa
eh,
kanya,
bukod
si
po
Lorna.
siya. Si Tita Lorna talaga.
Si Earl.
Me, my dad is Titon, Nona,
Tiger.
Si Zainzan.
and Ryan. Ryan said, we miss so much, and we will miss so more. Because I cry.
I'm crying too. I lose my father kasi.
Because about saying to you and about us. And together. And you keep sharing about this our story.
Ano mapapanood namin doon? Kikiligin ba kami? Matatawa ba kami?
Naku,
Maiiyak?
lahat mixed emotion
Ay,
yan.
wow. Pero, hindi ba mahirap kiligin kunwari kasi friend mo si Earl? Madali lang mo yan. Umarte na parang.
Slight. But speaking shit lang.
Meron bang crush na artist?
Me?
Ay, go, yes.
Ako may
actually,
akong crush na artista.
Like so it's like so pretty.
Hmm?
Love.
Sino?
Meron akong crush na
It's
artista.
my just liking.
I have my crush in
Smiles
artist.
and texting.
Thanks.
Okay.
My crush. Hindi pa Adelino.
Paolo Abilino. Si Earl, may crush ka ba, Earl?
Me? Yes.
Sino?
Jessica.
Artista nga eh.
Artista ka na kasi. Bukod kayo.
Ikaw na
Hindi
ngayon.
sa akin. Hindi sa akin.
Yes. Crystal. Yes. Okay.
Bukod sa kanya, sino
Hindi sa
pang iba?
akin.
May iba pa.
Another artist.
More artist of them.
Ano?
More artist.
Mga artist.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just like what?
Who?
Sino pa? Sino kayo maisip? Sino magaling na artista na gusto niyong gayahin? Bukod
Si...
kay Tolentino.
Si...
Silvia Santos.
Ako may yung idea.
Sino?
Si ano to eh.
Yeah. Bea and Andy.
Bea.
Yeah. And Andy is very happy about Bea. So
Meron ba kayo naaalalang line sa movie na ginawa niyo?
Ay, ako kailangan meron ako.
Sige nga, sample.
Yung-
Pwede bang i-share?
Yes.
Sige nga.
Yung night, I'm smart, beautiful, talented, sexy, I'm perfect. Sino ba yung more tatlo yung mga na yun?
me, I call him.
What is your line?
My ears is. I'm gonna say I love you and good morning and I love you and I love so much and because I'm perfect. Happy.
Paano pala kayo naghanda?
Because she was strong.
What? Sabi. What? Okay. Zero is
Strong.
Okay.
And Jessica is strong. Yeah.
May question si
May question na. Paano pala kayo naghanda para sa characters nyo? May nanood ba kayo ng mga films para may inspiration kayo? Or kayo lang mismo yung talagang ng performance nyo?
May nagturo ba?
sarili lang. Pusa.
Kusa. Paano yun umaarte ka sa kwarto mag-isa? Ganon.
Yeah. Ang ginagaya ko yung sa, kasi na-acting ako yung sa, sa kwarto. Ang pinag-uman ko talaga, dahil sa akin yung nag-critis lang ako.
Oh, ay, wow. Yung kay Miss Sylvia.
Yeah.
Lalo yung pinaka-nabaw sa akin yung huwag kang mangamba.
Huwag mo. Manatag ang shows.
Mag-take ako dun.
Updated. Kung lalabas kayo sa TV, may show ba na gusto nyo maging parte? Parang gusto ko maging mapanood din yung sarili ko dyan sa palabas na yan. May ganun ba? Wala. Iniisip ba kayo? May favorite kayong TV show o movie?
Movie.
Sabagay yun ang favorite mo yung Huwag Kang Mangamba, no? Gusto siya ka nag-greatest na.
Bukod pa dun, meron ko.
Gusto mo pang umarte ulit pagkatapos ng Kind Perfect? Gusto mo pang gumawa ulit ng pelikula? Oo.
We can see, anong magiging Pero masan pa.
Okay.
Kung yung mabibigay ko ni Lord na opportunity.
Oh, nice. Ikaw, Earl, gusto mo?
Same.
Kasi we have, because of me,
Ha?
cost me. Because want to say, we live together, happy, and each other, everyone friends.
Nung nag-shooting kayo, ginagawa niyo yung pelikula, ano yung parang pinaka-memorable sa inyo na parang?
Memorable? Ang memorable sa akin, nakuha ko ng panibagong pamilya.
How about you, Earl? Ano yung pinaka-memorable sa iyo nung ginagawa niyo?
Because, they both gather about my family. Everything. Because she always said to me, because I have that day, dancing and love, funny, joking, happy.
Magiging so crush na yung isa't isa sa palabas, di ba?
Oh my God.
Ganun ba yun? Ganun yun, di ba? Ano feeling?
Intense.
So kailangan, parang imagine mo in love ka, ganun.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Me, joy, happy, and sad. Because
I have my two crushes in my life.
Who are they?
Number 1, Earth. Number 2, my co-teacher.
Co-teacher? Ay, crush mo kayo. Crush na isa't isa.
Dalawa.
Hindi.
Pero only crush ko.
Nasaan yung co-teacher mo ba kasama sa movie?
No.
So gusto mo manood siya?
Gusto ko siya manood.
Anong pangalan niya? Shout out mo na.
Ayun Spec Santa Rosa.
Asan ka rin Santa Rosa?
yeah.
Nakakatawa. So,
Yeah, ito nga yung shout out sa mga co-teachers ko, nag-miss ko na.
Yeah, because both
May another family, of course.
same to you.
You also...
Same together.
Yeah, yun gusto ko yung shout out. Yung mga co-teachers ko na nag-miss ko in
Miss my family
my...
out there. Because there is Miss family.
Oh.
Like your mom, the dad, the mother, brothers, sisters.
I see. But, ano mas gusto mo? Yung maging teacher o maging artista?
Both.
Ano mas mahirap?
Walang mahirap pa sa akin.
Ano?
Madali lang ako malapitan ng emotion. Nakukuha ko yun parang sa movie sa YouTube.
Sino tumutulong sa'yo para hindi ka mahiya? Gano'n? Sino nag-focus sa'yo?
Si God.
Nagpipray ka na?
Palagi.
Ano mga
Kasama ko
sinasabi?
yun sa lahat.
Ano mga pinag-pray mo? Health, family.
Health and family. And this family and perfect also.
Love na love mo ang family mo sa Imperfect.
Yeah.
Ano mga natutunan mo sa kanila?
Ayun. Learn na.
Hindi. Ano lang yung mga... ano ba? Natutunan? Ano pang mga...
I learned from them. She's pushed me she is pushed me to concentrate.
Content kayo. Si Direk ba? Matapang? Mabait? Paano ba siya mag-direct?
Masaya.
Masaya.
Sadya.
Matyaga.
Masaya.
Patient.
Masaya.
Saka ang ang bibo niya.
Parang ikaw.
Parang wala kami direct. Ay.
Pero naniniwala ka ba na perfect ka?
Na?
naniniwala ka na you are perfect, na I'm perfect. Kaya mong sabihin, I'm perfect.
Perfect naman ako sa mga mata ng mga tao. Nakikita ko ngayon.
Nice.
Just like this. But
Because
maging perfect tayo sa inyo.
that's correct.
At ito isa, perfect.
Ano naman yung...
Kaya maging... Hindi lang maging I'm perfect. I'm perfect ko talaga ang aking...
Nice.
Ano naman yung mga ano nyo? Di mo kasi.
Ay, gumawa siya.
Ano naman yung mga Christmas wishlist nyo?
Ano mga gusto niyo ngayon?
This Christmas, kung anong gusto nyo makuha? Or ano?
Anong gift ang
Gift.
gusto mo ngayong Pasko?
Basta.
Ito ko ano ko, ba't ngayon yung word ng Christmas, parang naarapay to yung father ko.
Condolences. Sige lang. Okay lang.
But I feel my heart. Daddy is proud of, is very, very proud of me.
Yes, yes.
He has been through for everything. Pero, ni Daddy sa akin, to be, ano lang hindi lang maging proud lang. Support si Daddy sa akin.
May angel ka.
Yeah. He is my guardian angel.
Yes.
To guide me.
Ikaw, Earl, may Christmas wish ka ba?
I wish my father were here. Kinang,
Me, I'm people was unlucky because I'm subscribed everyone Facebook we are both same and gather and just my because we has best friend
what is your Christmas wish?
because we are together.
Christmas wish.
May gusto ko ba sa Christmas? May gusto
Ano
kang
gusto
gift?
mo sa Christmas?
I know
Regalo.
Christmas is like okay Christmas I will give.
Oh, you will give you.
Yeah.
You don't want anything.
Yes, I will give.
What do you want? Toys?
I give is I will give the song.
Ako naman I want, ano ba yung ganun ko?
Anong gusto mo? May gusto ko ba? Bagay, damit?
Yung Christmas gift?
Ah.
Ang Christmas gift ko, kaya lahat ng makantaan kaya sa akin. Lahat na I'm perfect, sila yung makanta yung ganong
This me.
yan talaga yung aking Pasko. My greatest Christmas is I'm perfect to be successful.
Message.
Yeah, my gift is my friend. Because all the things and my family, friends, everyone together, with us, thankful, and all my family. Because all my mama say I love you, and so much I have to my life. Yeah.
What's your message for Nanay Cynthia?
Actually, my gift is like to friends. This gifts is about like I'm perfect.
What a message.
Yeah.
Love,
Love.
friend, and family. Yeah. More because just gather.
You mean the movie is about love and friendship?
Actually because same to you and just brought us about all time and you do bags, pencil.
Oh, yes.
And because writing like dramatic measures.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, I could say still can you love me? I said yes. Yeah.
Yung orasan.
What's your message for anong
I'm excited to start because I want to happy, child, funny, and all talking you because I want to be
And just give me a
my
moment.
family.
I give you a moment. Okay.
Ang maisip ko kay nanay, ano lang eh. Bukod sa I love you. Bukod sa sa pagmamahal. Bukod sa thank you, kundi yung bukod sa love you, syempre, mahal na mahal ko ang isang sige chances na sa yung ano ko eh, kasi yung sa magiging Christmas ko, yung nitahitin na hindi ula ko ay sa perfect. Nitahitin sa kanya ula ko ay sa perfect.
Kasama tissue.
Kinanay niya mabigyan ng tissue.
Umiiyak na siya.
Kasi ano eh, I am thankful to her for everything. She puts on the inspiration to everyone na I'm perfect. Sa'yo talaga nag-push ng advice.
Sa inyo lahat. Si kay Direk, may gusto ka sabihin.
Kay Direk, I'm so thankful to her because she is with our strength during the shooting. And as I found that is very, very genuinely bubbly. Direk, I love you. Thank you for everything. Ano yung nabibigay sa set, sa shooting. Hanggang ngayon, almost 1 year na ang perfect. Dito ay sa'yo yun. Dito ay sa'yo wala ka ngayon dito. I love you, Direk.
Thank you. And ano lang, invite nyo na lang yung mga manonood nito na manood na I'm perfect.
Hey everyone, my name is Anne Krista Zagnargo. For the video syndrome, I'm inviting you to watch our movie I'm Perfect, showing on December 25 and produced by Nila Studio and nag-iisang directed by, of course, mahal na to, direct si Gita at kayo people na to. Love you, Direk.
Ikaw or
Me, I can't manage to your mom and say I love you. I don't manage to me, because Mama said, this is what we always love, and everyone of friends was just happy. They talk you correct. I love singing. I was talking about I'm perfect. Because when I talk to you about the trauma, and I'm funny, joke and date and matawa and go to beach. You cannot go to swimming.
And you want to invite everyone to watch?
Yes. Krista is enjoy your fish the podcast. So matawa, bercam, lagi ke sweaty. Because so talking about I say I will reply in the word.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Inviting to all of us to watch our
I always watch a movie. Okay. Yeah.